Bubble charts are a variation of a scatterplot chart in which the individual points of data are replaced with bubbles. The bubble's size provides an additional dimension of data and corresponds with the size of the value each bubble represents. This video will cover how these charts are used and how to get the most out of your bubble chart. Like any iZenda visualization, the user has access to the data sources selected for the report on the left side of the screen. There are 6 distinct boxes in the configuration area for this chart type: title, description, values for the x-axis, values for the y-axis, value labels, and bubble size. Like the scatter plot, the x and y-axis are both quantitative fields with a value label section for the qualitative data to be represented on that scale. Unlike the scatter plot, the bubble size field will increase or decrease the size of the bubble dependent on the value in the field placed here. Like in any other chart, the x and y-axis values can be changed by selecting the pill for the data object and then using the Field Properties panel to change the function or format on that field. The Value Labels section has similar properties but will default to Group. Bubble size works similarly to the x and y-axis options. The size of the bubble is going to change depending on how large or small the value is. This way, you can change the function on the data object represented here to fit the needs of the chart. Now, to finalize this chart to be previewed, we can add a count of cities in each represented state to generate our visualization. States with more cities in the dataset will have larger bubbles than those with fewer cities. Like the scatterplot chart, the bubble chart has specific report part property settings unique to the chart visualization with 2 quantitative axes. With a large number of bubbles, the zoom functionality can be used to hone in on a specific area of the chart. Here, we can set our zoom to XY. Now, if we drag a square on the scatter plot, the area that has been created by the square will come into focus. Once we are done zooming in to the data points, the Reset Zoom button can be clicked to transition back to the original zoom level. For more tutorials on iZenda functionality and additional information on the platform, please watch our additional videos or visit our website to learn more.